Welcome to the heart of American spice production, where millions of pounds of garlic are processed daily.
The journey begins with the arrival of fresh, raw garlic, harvested from local farms at peak ripeness. Massive hydraulic lifts dump tons of bulbs into the intake system, starting the high-speed production line. Vibrating conveyors shake loose soil and rocks from the bulbs, ensuring only clean product enters the factory.
Please subscribe to our channel now to witness more fascinating food factory tours and industrial engineering marvels.
High-pressure water jets scrub the exterior of the bulbs, removing any remaining soil or field debris. With human oversight combined with automated systems ensures that no foreign objects make it past the washing stage. The cracker unit gently applies pressure to break the whole bulbs into individual cloves without crushing them.
Vibrating tables use gravity and airflow to separate the heavier cloves from the lightweight papery skin waste.
Powerful vacuums remove the skins, which are collected and repurposed as organic compost for the local farms. Advanced optical sorters scan every single clove, ejecting any that are discolored or show signs of damage.
Air jets fire with millisecond precision to remove imperfect cloves, ensuring only the best quality moves forward.
The cloves are sliced into uniform chips, which maximizes the surface area for the critical drying process.
Sharp blades are essential to prevent crushing the garlic cells, which would result in loss of flavor.
Even distribution on the belt is vital to ensure that every slice dries at the same rate. The garlic enters a massive multi-stage dehydrator, where controlled heat slowly removes moisture from the slices.
Operators monitor the temperature zones carefully to preserve the pungent oils that give garlic its distinct taste.
As moisture evaporates, the slices shrink and develop a concentrated flavor profile that consumers know and love.
The dehydrated chips emerge crisp and brittle, ready to be cooled down before the milling process begins.
Samples are taken immediately to verify that the moisture content is low enough to prevent microbial growth.
Precise moisture levels are critical for shelf life, ensuring the powder remains free-flowing and potent for years. Enclosed conveyors protect the dried product from humidity and contaminants as it moves to the grinding area.
Heavy-duty hammer mills pulverize the dried chips into various particle sizes, from coarse granules to fine powder.
Adjusting the mill speed determines the final texture, allowing the factory to produce different grades of spice.
Vibrating screens sort the ground garlic, ensuring that every grain in the batch is a uniform size. Larger granules are separated for steak rubs, while the finest particles become the classic garlic powder dust.
Rare earth magnets pull any potential metallic contaminants from the stream and guaranteeing the product is safe to eat.
Sensory experts rehydrate the powder to evaluate its flavor, ensuring it matches the profile of fresh garlic.
Large batches are blended together to smooth out any natural variations, ensuring a consistent product year-round.
Strict sanitation protocols are followed during changeovers to prevent cross-contamination between different spice blends and products. The finished powder is temporarily stored in large totes to protect it from light and air exposure.
Climate-controlled warehousing prevents the hygroscopic powder from clumping before it reaches the final bottling line. The retail journey begins as thousands of empty plastic jars are unscrambled and fed onto the line.
A blast of ionized air cleans the interior of every jar, ensuring a sterile environment for the spice.
High-speed auger fillers dispense the exact weight of powder into each jar with incredible speed and accuracy.
Automated scales weigh every single unit, instantly rejecting any jar that does not meet the strict specifications.
The capping machine applies the lids with precise torque, sealing the freshness inside the jar for the consumer. Induction sealing creates an airtight, tamper-evident bond, that protects the garlic powder from oxidation and moisture. High-speed labelers apply the branding and nutritional information, giving the product its familiar retail appearance on shelf.
Laser coders etch the expiration date and batch number, allowing for full traceability of every single unit.
Robotic packers handle the finished jars, gently grouping them into cases for safe transport to distribution centers.
Final inspections ensure that the shipping cases are properly sealed and ready to withstand the logistics network.
The stretch wrappers secure the boxes onto pallets, providing stability and protection during long-haul truck shipments nationwide.
Thousands of pounds of finished garlic powder leave the factory daily, destined for grocery stores and restaurants.
Coiffures. From a raw bulb in the ground to a premium spice, this powder enhances millions of meals.
The factory never sleeps, continuing its mission to provide high-quality garlic to the world, around the clock.
Under the microscope, the quality of the grind is visible, showing the uniformity that defines premium spice.
Advanced air filtration systems prevent garlic dust from escaping the factory, keeping the local air clean today.
The cycle of sustainability continues as factory waste returns to the soil to nourish the next crop.
This complex industrial ballet turns a humble agricultural product into a pantry staple found in every home.
Measuring volatile oils determines the potency, ensuring that the powder delivers the strong kick consumers expect.
Data-driven manufacturing allows the team to optimize efficiency and reduce waste at every single production stage.
Precise temperature control is vital, not just in drying, but in conditioning the garlic for easier peeling.
Metal detection is used at multiple points in the line to protect both the consumers and the machinery.
Regular maintenance of the milling hammers ensures a consistent grind and prevents the machine from overheating the powder.
These massive silos can hold thousands of pounds of finished powder ready to be dispensed into retail packaging. Regular swabbing and culturing of surfaces confirm that the sanitation protocols are effective against all harmful bacteria.
The on-site water treatment plant purifies millions of gallons, allowing the water to be safely reused.
Even the shipping boxes are coated, ensuring that retailers can manage their inventory and ensure freshness for customers.
Automated storage and retrieval systems maximize the efficiency of the warehouse, utilizing every inch of vertical space.
The process relies entirely on the hard work of the farmers who cultivate this pungent crop year-round.
Despite the high-tech automation, the trained eye of a worker is still a crucial quality control layer.
The precision engineering of the packaging equipment allows for high-speed filling with zero spillage or waste.
Color consistency is important, as consumers expect a bright, creamy white powder, not a dark or yellow one. Constant surveillance ensures that all safety protocols are followed and protects the integrity of the food supply.
Quick changeovers of label rolls keep the line moving, ensuring that downtime is kept to an absolute minimum. Powerful fans circulate the hot air, ensuring that moisture is wicked away from every surface of the garlic. Digital tracking systems ensure that the right pallet gets on the right truck, eliminating shipping errors completely.
From pizza to pasta, garlic powder is a versatile ingredient that brings a savory depth to any dish.
The dedicated workforce is the backbone of this facility, ensuring operations run smooth 24 hours a day.
Biosecurity measures prevent contaminants from entering the facility on the wheels of delivery trucks coming from the fields.
Automated cutters trim the fibrous roots from the bulbs, which would otherwise affect the texture of the powder.
Monitoring the pH level of the wash water ensures it remains effective at removing bacteria without damaging the garlic.
The separation of skin from clove is a delicate balance of air pressure and gravity separation techniques. Strict hygiene rules require all employees to wear protective gear, preventing any contamination of the food product. The amplitude of the vibration is tuned to allow only the correctly sized particles to pass through the mesh.
Massive dust collectors capture the fine airborne particles, keeping the factory air safe and preventing dust explosions.
No product leaves the facility without the final signature of the quality assurance manager, verifying all tests passed.
Any packaging that fails inspection is removed, and the plastic is recycled, reducing the overall waste footprint.
Massive backup generators ensure that the critical drying and cooling systems never stop, even during a power outage.
Garlic powder is a key ingredient in barbecue rubs, providing a savory base that enhances the meat's flavor.
The global demand for American garlic powder sees these containers shipped to ports all around the world today.
Regular calibration of the optical sorters ensures they remain accurate in detecting even the slightest discoloration defects.
Cleanliness extends to the warehouse, where dust control is vital to prevent pest infestation and maintain hygiene.
The foil seal is the consumer's guarantee that the product inside is fresh and has not been tampered with.
The relationship between the factory and the land is symbiotic, requiring sustainable practices to ensure future harvests. Divider sheets add stability to the tall pallets, preventing the boxes from shifting during transport to the customer.
This laboratory is the nerve center of quality control, equipped with state-of-the-art analytical technology.
Despite automation, manual checks are performed hourly to ensure the slicing machines are producing the correct thickness.
Hot melt glue is applied precisely to seal the shipping cases securely, without using excessive amounts of material.
Each truck leaving the facility carries the culmination of farming expertise, engineering, precision, and strict quality control.
Its high solubility makes garlic powder an essential ingredient for soups, sauces, and marinades in kitchens everywhere.
As the day shift ends, the receiving bay is cleaned and prepped, ready for the next harvest delivery. This facility stands as a testament to American agricultural industrialism, delivering flavor to the world with every jar. The transformation from a pungent raw bulb to a shelf-stable powder is a marvel of food science.
The next time you see this bottle on the shelf, remember the incredible journey it took to get there.
Ultimately, the goal is simple: to bring safe, high-quality flavor to families enjoying meals together at home. As a new day breaks, the cycle begins again, ensuring that the world never runs out of garlic. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the fascinating world of industrial garlic powder production. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we will explore how your favorite hot sauce is manufactured globally.